Did you know that you can turn a non-editable image into a fully editable design in just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you how your non-editable layer image can become a fully editable layer design using Canva's latest feature. Let's not waste any time, let's get started. First, click on Magic Layers. Here, you'll see Make Flat Designs Editable with Magic Layers. This feature allows you to separate flattened or AI-generated designs into fully editable layouts that you can control. You can move, resize, recolor, or replace each layer. You can also easily change or remove the background, no need to regenerate the design. To start using Magic Layers, simply click Select Media. Then choose a flattened image and Canva will automatically separate it into layers. And just like that, in a few seconds, your flattened image now has multiple editable layers. If you hover your cursor over the image, you'll notice a purple outline. That means the image has been divided into different layers. To confirm, click Position, then go to Layers. As you can see, all elements are now separated. This new Canva update is truly amazing. Now you can move objects freely like this car, the fence, the grass, the clouds, almost everything is editable. Wow, this is really impressive. This feature is especially helpful for beginners who are just starting with Canva. Let's try another example using a different flattened image. This time, we'll test one with text and multiple objects. I'll use a thumbnail I created from my previous video tutorial. At the top, click Edit, then on the left side, go to Magic Studio and click Magic Layers. Now, let's check again. Click Position, then Layers. And there you go. Wow, this feature is incredibly powerful. Even small and complex elements are separated perfectly. The best part, you can move everything anywhere you want. You can also flip objects either horizontally or vertically. Use high-quality images for better layer separation. Check Layers panel to edit each element. You can even change the color of the jacket. When editing objects like jackets, always consider your overall color theme. Use colors that blend well with your background and text to create a clean and professional look. Try different shades and see what fits best. Small adjustments can make a big difference. And yes, you can edit the text too, change the font style and color. Keep your fonts simple and powerful. Choose fonts that match your message and are easy to read. Use bold styles for emphasis. Make your text stand out. Always choose colors that are clear and readable. Use contrast to grab attention, and highlight keywords with different colors. Small color changes can make a big difference in your design. Let's try changing the background color, and yes, it works. Just make sure you know how to match colors properly. It's your choice if it looks good or not. Even shapes can be edited and recolored. Wow, Magic Layers in Canva is truly amazing. If you want to quickly apply an image as your background, just right-click and select Set Image as Background. Now, do you want something more exciting? Aside from separating layers, do you also want to animate your objects from a flattened image? If yes, don't forget to click the subscribe button below, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much! To add animation, click on any image or object, then select the Animate option at the top. On the left side, you'll see different animation styles like pop, wipe, breath, and more. In this tutorial, I'm using the baseline animation for my object. For text, you can even combine different animation styles. When adding animation to text, choose styles that match the mood of your design. Simple animations like fade, rise, or baseline are great for a clean and professional look. Avoid using too many different animations at once. It can look distracting and messy. If you want to preview your work, click the three dots and select Edit as Video, then press the play button. Let's also add animation to the text below to make it more attractive for viewers. You can animate individual letters as well. Timing is also important. Make sure your text appears at the right moment so viewers can easily read and understand it. Keep your animation smooth and simple. Use animation to guide your viewers' attention, not overwhelm them. Choose clean styles, keep it consistent, and make sure your text is easy to read. Animate your text and objects together for a more dynamic design. Instead of animating text alone, try syncing it with object movements. For example, let your text appear while an object is moving. This creates a more engaging and professional look. If your object slides from left to right, make sure your text follows the same direction. This creates a smooth visual flow and avoids confusion. Now for the car animation. I want to move it from a starting point to an end point, like this. On the first page, position the car at the starting point. Then right-click and select Duplicate Page. On the second page, move the car to its end position. Between page 1 and page 2, click Add Transition. Then on the left side, select Match and move Transition. You can also adjust the duration below, just like this. Wow! From a flattened image to fully separated layers, this really feels like magic. If you want more Canva tutorials like this, click my next video.